Leonardo on the phone, you will access the App Store. Then you will download this Leonardo AI Image Generator application. I have already downloaded it, so now I will open it. Next, you will click on this Get Started section. Here you can register for this account, or you can use your Google, Apple, Microsoft account to log in. For the most convenience, I will log in with both Google accounts. After logging into the account, you will fill in this login name. You can fill in as you like. For example, I will write Fu Mo. Next, you will choose the type of image you want to create. This section you can choose freely. Then you will choose for yourself, and you will click to agree to these terms. Then we will click to use Leonardo AI. So we can use Leonardo AI, and every day you will be given 150 free tokens on the Leonardo AI homepage. You can see the photos that people have created before. If any photo is beautiful, you can click on this. Then you will click here to see the prompt that people use. This negative prompt is the things that people do not want to appear in this photo. The size of this photo and the parameters that people have installed. You can see which module people have used. And you can reuse these parts of people. For example, to reuse the prompt, you will click on this copy part. It will automatically copy for you. Here it will have a few features such as creating this photo. This real-time edits this image and creates a video. Later, I will share details on how to use these features when you click on them. In this Models section, you can see all the models that you can use, and there are example images of each model, for example, this photo. You will see that the photo is very similar to the photo taken, right? And these are the photos that the previous user created. And this My Library section will be the photos that you created before. This is my new account, so there will be no photos. Now we will go into detail on how to use Leonardo AI right on the phone to start creating photos. You will click on this plus sign, then you will choose the photo creation feature. This is the part where you will enter this prompt, and below this will be negative prompt, which are things that you will not want to appear in your next photo. You can choose this module. You can see which module is suitable for the entire photo you want to create. For example, if you want to create a 3D animated photo, you will choose this 3D animation style, or if you want to create a photo that looks like a real photo, you will choose this photo reel. There are many modules for you to choose from. Then you can choose this style with anime. Hey, Creator Dynamic, this illustration, this photography, and I have compiled some styles. Here you can refer to it. Unlike Mitsuli, you will have to type the command out. It will be very time-consuming at that. Here it will be very intuitive for you to use, easily. Next is this photo part. If you want your C photo to be similar to the actual photo, you will turn it on, and this magic prompt part will optimize your prompt more. If you want a raw photo, you will turn this on. Next will be this feature. When you turn this on, it will increase the quality of the photo very high, and you can adjust the parameters here to create the best photo. You can adjust and customize these parameters. Next will be the public image part. It will let everyone see the photo that you have created, like the first part I showed you, the photos that the user had created before. Next will be the number of photos that you want to create. You can create up to 8 photos. For example, I will create 4 photos only. Then the size of this photo will have the ratios that you choose here. For example, 11 this, 9/6 this, 169 this. For example, I will create a 169 ratio photo, and you can upload a photo for references so that it will create a similar photo to the photo you want. For example, I will enter a simple prompt that the cat is on this table, then I will click Generate to create. For example, if you want the photo to be of better quality, you can increase the quality of the photo. We will click on this part. Then we can choose to upscale this photo. There are 2 types, upscale smooth. This will smooth the photo and increase the quality. If you want to keep it the same, you will click on the part above. Then we will wait a moment for it to increase the quality of the photo. This is my original photo. This is the photo that has been enhanced. I will enlarge it for you to see. This is very beautiful, right? But this hair part is very separate. In addition, we can delete the edge of this photo. You can click on this remote background part. Then we will choose remote background. This will be the photo after the edge has been deleted. This is very cool, right? For example, you will create a photo of a cartoon character. Then you will separate it and put it in your video. It will be very cool next. We will go to every valuable part, which is applying GB Chat to create the most standard prompt template. You will access GBT Chat and we should use GBT Chat version 4 so that my answer is the best. Then I will provide you with a prompt template so that you can ask this GBT Chat. I will leave it below the description for you. Then I will request the first GBT Chat. It will ask me, what do you want the prompt to be? Hey, I want to be Eamon standing on top of this mountain next. It will give me this prompt. Then it will ask me more questions for me to add to that prompt. For example, I want to add the motions of this man, or what is that man doing and when is the time of the photo. I'll add this man standing looking into the distance, and the next morning time it will modify the prompt section for me, and it will continue to ask me if you want to add any details about the surrounding scenery. I will add a stream below and this man with a backpack, this silver beard and silver hair. Then it will continue to edit the prompt form, and we will continue to answer these questions to supplement my photo to make it most suitable to their quest. If up to her, my promise satisfied, and you don't want to add anything more, then you will hold on this screen. Then we will click on the text selection. You will hold it and scan to select the prompt section. Then we will click copy. You will paste the prompt just now where. Then we can choose this model style and you can adjust the parameters here after you have completed everything. Then we will click generate to create. These are the 4 photos that it created for me, and it is very similar to my request. This second photo I requested is this man with a silver beard and silver hair and is wearing a backpack. Below is this stream is very standard, right? You can apply this GPT chat question to supplement your program to get the most standard. Next, we will go to the real-time canvas feature to create a real-time photo. First, you will enter a keyword prompt about the photo you want to create. Then, the style you want. For example, I will choose cinematic. You can choose the color and LDB here. Then you will draw in the section below. This section above will automatically create for you. This is very interesting, right? It will create exactly the style you want. You can draw freely, and whoever it is will create for you a very interesting photo. To save the photo to your device, you will click on this download section. Then you will choose the quality. We will choose high quality and click on the part to create this photo. We will wait a moment for our photo to be completed. This will be my photo after being completed by whom. You will see it is very standard with the style that I want, and with this feature you can customize the layout of the photo very well. Next, we will go to the feature Canvas Editor, feature of Leonardo AI on the phone. Canvas Editor. With this feature, we can edit the photo as you want. You can upload your photo and edit this, or you can edit the photos that I just created. For example, I will edit this photo